to work polishing peel into large particles that carry away dulling dead skin cells from the skin surface. Hey stars, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tara and passing it on is my passion. And one of the areas I love to share is skincare. So if you guys are interested, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos just like this. In this video, I will be doing a review on one of my favorite exfoliating products. It is the Nuskin Polishing Peel. So I will be sharing with you its details, facts, and claims, how to use this, how to incorporate this into your skincare routine or regimen, and of course at the end, my likes and dislikes. Dislikes? My verdict. So if you guys want to know more, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. The Nuskin Polishing Peel resurfaces and polishes skin to immediately deliver fresh, glowing complexion benefits that are clinically proven to be equivalent to a professional microdermabrasion treatment. It features pumpkin enzymes to resurface, soften, and polish the skin, and bentonite clay to remove dull skin cells and toxins. Usage or application. Apply an even visible layer to your clean, dry face and neck. Let it stand for approximately 1 to 2 minutes or until product firms. Do not allow product to dry completely. Using your fingertips, gently massage face and neck in a circular motion to work polishing peel into large particles that carry away dulling dead skin cells from the skin surface. If product becomes too dry, spray lightly a moisture mist. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Follow with your toner and moisturizer. If you are applying this in the morning, apply sunscreen. For best results, use 3 times the first week and twice a week thereafter to maintain a polished appearance. Now before I go to my review, I've been saying microdermabrasion. What is a microdermabrasion and how is it the same and different from the polishing peel? Microdermabrasion is a cosmetic procedure in which a very thin layer of facial skin is abraded with a high-pressure spray of crystals in order to diminish the appearance of fine wrinkles, discoloration, scars, and other blemishes. How is polishing peel different from microdermabrasion? Most clinical microdermabrasion and in-home microdermabrasion products use abrasive crystal particles to resurface the skin. These abrasive particles leave tiny scratches on the surface of the skin. Polishing peel is free of these abrasive particles and does not leave scratches on the surface of the skin. So light is reflected more evenly, creating a luminous glow to the complexion. How is polishing peel similar to microdermabrasion? Polishing peel provides skin resurfacing, smoothing, and softening benefits equivalent to a professional microdermabrasion session. I'll be placing my sources link as well as the product information link at the description box. For my review, let me start with facts and then claims. This retails at 1,900 pesos and you can purchase this online or through a Nuskin member. Now for its claims. The Nuskin polishing peel provides results that are clinically proven to be equivalent to a professional microdermabrasion treatment. It instantly resurfaces and polishes for beautifully smooth, soft skin and a healthy looking glow. It unveils a more youthful looking complexion, pulls toxins out of pores. It is non-abrasive and has a creamy formula. For my feedback, likes and dislikes, or should I say love. Love, because as what I've mentioned, this is really one of my favorite exfoliating products out there because of its effectivity. 5 stars for its effectivity. Ever since I used this, I really noticed that my skin is that my skin is smoother, and I really noticed that I have lesser blackheads. That's really one of the problems when you have combination to oily skin. And next, it's quality. It has premium ingredients. And third, its availability. It is readily available online and you can purchase this through a Nuskin member. And last but not the least, its usability. It is very easy to use and probably quick. Yeah. And now for my dislike. Well, it's not really a dislike, but it is sort of like a warning or a caution for everyone who would want to try this, because the process includes like rubbing the product off your skin. There is a probability of tugging your skin, so be very gentle with your skin. All right? So that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. And if you have any questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below. Remember, healthy skin is always in. Bye, stars!